What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Prime Week. It's a perfect opportunity to restock on detailing supplies that you really love. There's a lot of great deals out there. I'm just gonna highlight 10 or 15 that really stuck out to me. I'll be sure to put links to everything you see in today's video in the description and the first comment so you can easily find it. Let's get right into it.
So this one went completely under the radar. Best pressure washer deal, and this is the cheapest it's been all year. So last week, just the unit was $319.99. Now it's $299.99. And then the full kit last week was $369.99, and now it's $332.99. Went completely under the radar because it's not listed as a Prime Day deal, but this is the cheapest I've seen it, and will probably be the best deal you'll get all year on the full kit or just the unit if you're in the market for an Active 2.0. If you're looking for a foam cannon that shoots crazy thick foam at a very affordable price, the Rain Kovo foam cannon is unbeatable. $26.39 right now. This jumps up in price, goes up and down all over the place, but last week I think it was $32. So really great deal. You will not find a better foam cannon for the money. Definitely check this one out. If you're looking for a drying towel, the Rag Company has a lot of good deals. This is their gauntlet made with super premium Korean microfiber. This is a top pick for any professional detailer. Rag Company has a lot of great deals this Prime Week, so check these guys out. But the gauntlet is my favorite pick. I use it all the time. Very high quality. If you want that crazy thick shaving cream foam, Adam's Mega Foam is where it's at. And they have a nice deal, 21% off their smaller 16-ounce bottle, but the real deal, in my opinion, is the big jug. So you get 25% off, $52.74 they're saying, and that will last you a really long time. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. Foams up amazing. Adams Polishes is like the best in the business. Very reputable company. So great deal on this soap if you're looking for crazy foam. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. I love this stuff. It's basically a synthetic ceramic coating. It's just so easy to apply. It gives a really nice hydrophobic effect to your paint and a really nice shine. Super easy to apply. No streaking. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I've purchased this twice, and I'll keep going back and purchasing more. I love this stuff. Drying aid, shine, hydrophobic effects, definitely a top pick. This stuff is just amazing. It's reached GOAT status, express interior cleaning by P&S, safe on any surface, smells amazing, highly dilutable. You could get a gallon of this stuff. If you're like just a DIY or weekend warrior, this stuff will last you like literally 5 years. It's highly dilutable. Cannot say enough about this stuff. It's in every professional detailer's garage. Really amazing product, and you'll love it. All right, before you attack me in the comments, I know Chemical Guys gets a lot of hate, but this is a 2-pack speed wipes. I've used this stuff, and it's actually really good. It's one of the best reviewed Chemical Guys products out there. 2-pack for just a little over $13. That's a heck of a deal. Really leaves a nice shine. Excellent quick detailer. Another one from Chemical Guys, their wash mitt is really nice, and it's 40% off. I've bought probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 of these over the years. They just work great. Very nice plush microfiber, good elastic band around the wrist. For what is it? $5.39. Yeah, that's an easy win. Last Chemical Guys, I promise. $69.99 for this kit is a really good deal, especially if you know someone that's just getting into car detailing. Like if you're a parent and your kid wants to be a car detailer, they're getting into it. I would buy this now and put it in the closet and give it to them for Christmas. Really great deal. You're getting a lot of their good products too. VRP is awesome. I've used that. You're getting the wash mitt, all those detailing brushes, microfibers. Mr. Pink is a great foam soap. Getting the wash bucket with the grit guard. That's a lot of bang for your buck. So great, great little deal, great little kit for a new car detailer. The Fantic V10 Apex, I literally use this thing every day, sometimes twice a day. Really nice. You charge it with the USB-C, throw it in the car. You can clean up the kid's mess in the back seat super quick. Has a bunch of different attachments, and it also acts as a blower. You can put an attachment on the back, and then you can actually blow out your car, take it off, and then it's a really nice, super compact little vacuum for spot cleaning. I love this thing. Like I said, I use it every day. It's tried and true. It's never broke on me. Always works great. This is a great buy, 34% off. The Rain Kovo of swivel guns. Heck of a deal. $31.99 for the 2 Luck swivel gun. Crazy swivel on this. Swivel's great under pressure. Definitely the best bang for your buck swivel gun. Feels great in the hand, light trigger, and the swivel, like I said, the swivel is absolutely insane. Slim pickings for good deals on pressure washer hoses, but this one is actually really good. I've had this and I've had zero problems. The M-Mingle 50 foot looks very similar to the Flexzilla hose. It's not It's not as good as the Flexzilla hose, I'm not gonna lie. But if you want a very flexible hose that comes with a set of quick connects, very kink resistant, lightweight, you'll be very happy with this. And for about $20 cheaper than a Flexzilla or an Uberflex, this is a really good buy. The Ego 650 CFM, really nice blower. I've had the 765, and to be honest with you, I think it's probably overkill for blowing off water, like just drying off your car. The 650 is going to be totally fine. Comes with the battery, comes with the charger, 35% off, and you can use it around the house for, you know, getting rid of your leaves and cleaning up your patio. But you can also get attachments for the end of this. Take the long head off of it, and they have attachments that are sold separately to use them to make a really compact car blower for car detailing. So very good deal on this. Ego is amazing, super high quality stuff, and you're getting 35% off the 650. If you want a heavy duty detailing car, this Alafro is really nice. Look at the reviews, it's 4.8 stars, about 1,000 reviews on this. You get all the different hookups, so you can put a shelving unit in. Has nice high quality casters. This will last a lifetime. Super high quality stuff. Highly reviewed, and it's 15% off. This is a good one. I love these extra large detailing brushes. This is by SPTA. There's a bunch of different, like, you know, there's 7 different companies and they all have the same one, but it's just rebranded. But this SPTA extra large detailing brush is great, especially if you're using like that interior detailing from P&S. Just spray a couple sprays onto this and you can clean a huge surface area on the inside of your car really quickly. If you haven't used a clay mitt before, I'm telling you, you'll never go back to a clay bar. It's so much easier to use. If you drop it, you can rinse it off and use it again. And it comes with the detail spray as the clay lube. So really, really nice little kit for short money.
All right, go out and get those deals. If there's any updates, I'll make another video. Sometimes these prices go up and down. It's crazy, but right now is definitely the time to restock on some of your favorite detailing supplies. If you like today's video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. Peace.